Hi, my name is Pradeep. I am going to teach you how to start Photoshop. Let's start Photoshop. Go to File menu and follow the cursor. When you go to Size tab, you can see the menu of size over there. So, you can choose any one of them. I prefer use stranded paper like A4 paper. When you click photo or any other size, you can see automatically below size getting changed. You can select even custom size too. And you can change the cm to or inches too, as you wish to use any of them. I will use centimeter for my tutorial. I will teach you about the toolbox in my next tutorial. Will easy to you to learn fast. I will teach in this tutorial basic knowledge of the artboard and how to create the file and creating simple box to know about the Photoshop. And you will soon understand what is the layer panel will help you in Photoshop. Okay, we go to in toolbox menu, float the cursor and click the box tool in your toolbox. Go to your white color artboard and click there and drag in your mouse. And you will see the white color box you created. How you going to change the colors you created now? Go to layer panel and you can see there is small box, and before did you notice that layer panel have to layer now? It's after you created the box automatically create new layer in layer panel. Just double click to small box followed the cursor, then new color palette will appear. Now you can change any color you need. As I told you, will start to learn about the layer panel also in this tutorial. You can see the small of icon of the layer panel. When you click it, you will see background is invisible now. Before go to next tutorial, we'll go to file and save your first project. And move to next tutorial. Thanks, see you in next tutorial.